we've got two profiles open here, and I must say, out of both, or basically both of these profiles, has got a phenomenally good growth, and at the same time, they've got a phenomenal track record as well. Look at this specific profile since the year 2012, and this specific profile is also since the year 2012, and they are both different profiles, and that's what we're going to cover within this video. Hi there, my friend, Errol Muria, and welcome to another video. In this specific video, we will be doing the GPS Forex Robot 3 review. Now, I want you to stay tuned, and reason being, I traded personally myself with this specific robot, and at the end of this video, I'm going to share my results and my findings with you based on when I used to trade with the GPS Forex Robot 3. Now, who am I? Like I said, my name is Errol Muller, and I have been trading Forex since the year 2015, or involved in Forex trading. I used to trade myself. I've done numerous things. I used to trade with Forex robots as well. So I've got a wealth of knowledge. I've been doing this for about 9 years. I do numerous other things as well. And I'm actually the owner and founder of this business called Empire Digest. If you want to know more about this, click the first link in the description below this video. If you feel Forex trading is not for you, and my recommendation, my suggestion is first build yourself a passive income. And once you've got passive income going and you've got more than enough money coming your way, then you will start looking at Forex trading robots, investments, etc, etc. Okay, so click the first link in the description. It will take you over to my business, my hub. Now, continuing along with the GPS Forex Robot 3 review, just bear with me 1 second quickly. I've actually gone in, I've scrolled through because I know exactly what I'm looking at. I've purchased GPS Forex Robot 3 before, and it's not a bad robot. There's a few things that I am going to point out closer towards the end of this video, so make sure you watch this entire video. So I've opened up these set files right here. So you will see I've opened up this one right here, the FX Choice 100K. This is just results. Then I've opened up another profile, this FX Choice 250, and I think I've opened up the 50K, or one of them is just the results. But in actual fact, it doesn't matter, because here's the two profiles. Here is the GPS Forex Robot FX Choice. Sorry guys, my phone is a bit on, it's a little bit disturbing right now. Anyway, so here's the GPS Forex Robot FX Choice account, and then here's another one called the GPS Forex Robot FX Choice 100K. Now I'm going to delve into the detail of these profiles. I'm going to choose one of the profiles, and if you haven't watched any of my videos before, you're more than welcome to head over to my YouTube channel, where you will find numerous other Forex trading robots that I've reviewed, systems, programs, make money online schemes, etc, etc. Not just schemes, good ones as well. So do check that out, and at the same time, if you really find this content valuable, please give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, because I would like for it to rank as quickly as possible, as high as possible within the search engine, in order to help more individuals like yourself watching this video in order to make an informed decision. So before we continue, on your screen right now is the disclaimer. Please pause this video, take some time, read that disclaimer, and let's continue along. Now, looking at the FX, or the GPS Forex Robot FX Choice profile, I'm just going to use one of them, and this is the GPS Forex FX Choice 100K, and both of them, as you can see, is a real account. This one uses a broker called FX Choice, and this one uses leverage of 1/200. This specific file, and I'm jumping around a little, but I'll get back to exactly what I wanted to say just now. Then you've got this one as well. FX Choice is the broker, leverage 1/200, and it is a real account as well. Now let's just close one of these profiles, and let's head back to this specific profile. Now, first things first, what you want to have a look at. Okay, regarding the broker that I've just shared with you, FX Choice, at the time of me shooting this video, I've even removed FX Choice from my website. I will share with you right now where you can get access to Forex trading brokers, to a Forex VPS service as well, and I'll delve into a little bit more detail as to why you require a Forex VPS service and a good Forex broker. So just bear with me, we'll do that a little later within this video. I want to get to the nitty-gritties and the results of this video. Okay, so First thing, on the specific profile, the track record is not verified, which I don't like. I would rather have a track record verified, because that means that between the broker, FX Choice is no longer open for new accounts or anything like that. They are basically currently put on hold due to some crypto transfers, etc., etc. So I've actually removed them from my website as a recommended broker. I'm busy looking at other brokers, which I will recommend to you shortly. So you won't be able to even create an account with FX Choice at the time of me shooting this video. So the track record is not verified. Reason being, MyFXBook requires an investor's password to be shared and linked with your MyFXBook account. And in that way, MyFXBook verifies the data shared from the broker side with MyFXBook, and that becomes then a track record verified. In this case, it's not verified, so I don't like that. I would prefer the track record being verified. The trading privileges are shared. That's a good thing. Custom analysis is not set. That is a good thing. What does that mean? If you click on custom analysis, you can see that I can set the time of all the data that I would like to be shown. And so some brokers, some individuals, some developers of Forex robots hide data from you in order for you to only see what they want you to see, or what they allow you to see, for you to make a better informed decision when it comes to purchasing. It's not a good thing when they hide data from you, because that means they don't want you to see the bad of how it's actually been performing since inception. So in this case, it's not set, which is a good thing. It will bring up a little notification right here to say that the custom analysis is set. Okay. Next, what you want to have a look at, this is an update from the year 2023 up until the year 2024. I'm just giving you an update as to how it's been performing and what it is doing based on the information that is being shared on the GPS Forex Robot homepage. So I've got nothing against the owners or developers or creators of the specific robot. I'm just sharing with you my personal opinion, things that I would look for before I purchase any type of Forex trading robot. Next, you want to have a look at the general tab, the FX Choice. As you can see, this is their broker, leverage 1200. It is a real account. The started date is March 26th, the year 2012, and then it was added May 07, 2012. So it's got a phenomenally long track record, which is good. Track record, I would recommend anything from 3 years or 5 years and upwards. The longer the track record, hopefully a verified track record, the better, because it means that this specific profile has gone through the ups and downs and the volatile situations within the market. Okay. Next, back to the statistics. It had an absolute gain of 273%. As you can see, absolute and gain is the same percentage. The monthly gain is about 0.93% at the time of me shooting this video. They started with an initial deposit for this specific account of $50,000, and it's currently sitting at $186,000. The growth, this is the growth of the chart, which is looking very well, looking very good. Then you've got the balance, the profit, I'm not too worried about. Then you've got the drawdown. So from 2012 right up until about 2023, there was a drawdown of about 14%. So not bad. Now, like I said, closer to the end of this video, I'm going to share more data with you based on my trading experience with the GPS Forex Robot. So just bear with me and don't run away. Okay, next, what you want to have a look at is how do you verify this deposit. Let me quickly go all the way down to verify the deposit. You can click on the history tab of the trades, and then you scroll down and you click on the very last page. In this case, it's page 29, and you will see that they started this account with an initial deposit of $50,000. And if you want to determine if they've made interim deposits, you can scroll through every single page right here, 28, 27, etc., and it will show when they've made other deposits. In this case, they've only made one initial deposit back in the year 2012. Okay, so why would they make deposits in the interim? So there is individuals, what they do is they actually make deposits if a specific robot, okay, takes a huge loss. They would make a massive deposit so that the robot can recover very quickly from the upcoming trades, because it trades larger lot sizes, etc. And it will show as if the robot recovered quickly. In actual fact, they had to make extra deposits to make up for the loss so that the robot can trade larger lot sizes. Okay, I'm not saying this is what GPS is doing. I'm just saying there is other guys and set files and profiles and developers, etc. doing that. Okay, so just be aware of that. The drawdown, like I said, is currently low. The actual drawdown for this specific profile is sitting at 30%. Now, I will share closer to the end of this video my experience when it comes to drawdown when I used to trade GPS Forex Robot 3. So just bear with me. Okay, we went through the monthly gains. Next, what you want to have a look at, if you want to determine what pairs they are trading currently or have traded, you can scroll down to where it says summary, click on the summary page. In this case, they only trade the Euro USD. At this point in time, the total profit is $136,000, pips, etc., profit, etc., trades, so longs, shorts, but we're looking at the total trades, total pips, total profit, 136. In actual fact, if you look at the totals, the pips is in a minus 158, but the total gains is still $136,000. Crazy. And you can become profitable like that, believe it or not. Even if you end in a minus in pips, you can still become profitable. Okay, next, looking at the dates, the track record is since the year 2012. Look at this. 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016. So these gains, in actual fact, you can see that they started lowering the risk since the year, call it, okay, not 2018, 2017, 2016, 2015. So since the year 2014, 2015, you will see that they've actually started lowering the risk. Up until the year 2023, 2022, look at these gains. They are only going for like a 0.1%, a 0.3%, a 0.4%, a 0.4% gain. So that is not for everybody out there. I prefer trading with a robot that's got like a 1.5%, a 3%, or a 5% return per month. And that's just what I look for, because these results are extremely low, these returns. I understand why they do it, because they've already got a big account going with big capital in it, which is $186,000. So they don't want to lose their capital. They don't want huge drawdowns. If you don't know what drawdown is, you're more than welcome to search it on Google. Basically, drawdown is the risk that you're willing to take at that point in time. If all your trades had to close right now, or end up in a loss, that is the drawdown. The higher the drawdown percentage, the more you are willing to risk of your account. So if your drawdown percentage is, for instance, let's say 35%, then you're willing to risk at that point in time 35% of your account within all of your trades, or just one trade, etc. And you can blow your account like this overnight. Okay, so just be wary of drawdown when you look at Forex trading robots. Now, that is one thing I can think of as to why they lowered their risk, to keep the drawdown as small as possible, as minimal as possible, in order to get lower returns. Now, I'm still going to share with you my trading experience with the GPS Forex Robot 3. Just bear with me. So how can you, if you do want to purchase the GPS Forex Robot 3, how do you get hold of it? Firstly, click the link in the description below this video. The first link, it will bring you over to this home page that I just shared with you, Empire Digest. I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom to where it says, at the bottom you can click on Forex, click on the Forex tab. Once you've clicked the Forex tab, you can scroll down to where it says Forex Trading Robots, this one right here. Click on the Learn More tab. Once you've clicked the Learn More tab, just wait for it to load. You can scroll down. There's numerous other Forex robots for you to have a look at and check out. And like I said, on my YouTube channel, you will find review videos based on most of these robots. So scrolling down, you can head over to GPS Forex Robot 3, 98% winning rate. Click the Access Now button. Once you've clicked the Access Now button, it will bring you over to this page, which is the home page of the GPS Forex Robot, and you can make your purchase if you want to. Okay, next, let's just go back. I'm going to go back one page, one tab. Then for Forex trading brokers, me personally, I've been using FX Open actually since the year 2014 that I've been using FX Open, and I am still with FX Open. You can check them out under the Forex Brokers tab. You're more than welcome to if you want to open an account with them. Just going back one tab again. If you are looking at Forex VPS services. Now, what is a VPS service? A VPS service is a virtual private server. So basically what that does is you can take your Forex trading robot, install it on a VPS service that runs 24/7, 99.99% of the time. They barely have downtime, and if there is scheduled downtime, they will let you know for maintenance purposes. So the reason I would recommend you trading with a VPS service, Forex trading robots does not like being traded on just a normal laptop or normal PC with interruptions. Especially with a bad internet connection, because what happens is at that point in time, if the robot needed to either enter a trade, take a profit, stop you out, whatever the case might be, if you've got interruptions at any point in time, it will mess with the robot's calculations and the indicators, and it will not know what to do at that point in time. So it can go two ways. Number one, you can go past your stop loss and you can end up blowing your account overnight, or it doesn't know when to actually take a profit, stop you out, etc., and it messes with your returns, with the actual trading returns and the trading results that you do get. Or it can end up in you making a hell of a lot of profit, a huge amount of profit within one trade. Now, the risk is too high because you will never know if it's going to end up in a profit or end up in a loss. And in actual fact, you can end up blowing your entire account overnight. So I would highly recommend getting a VPS service. It's still up to you. If you want to, you're more than welcome to check out the VPS services listed here. Scala Hosting, FX Open has got their own VPS service, and AccuWeb has got their own VPS service. Okay, so do check them out. You're more than welcome to do some research on them. Those are just the ones that I do recommend. Now, back to the GPS Forex Robot. I just want to see something. I just want to make sure that I covered everything that I did want to share with you. Yes, okay. So back to the GPS Forex Robot. So I'm going to talk to you just individual to individual. When I used to trade with the GPS Forex Robot 3, what I experienced, I think I used him for just under a year, and the drawdowns firstly was phenomenally high. I think my drawdown was at like 38%, if I'm not mistaken. Now you can set, it's called the lot risk deductor, something like that, in the set file settings. You can set that. I think initially it comes out with a standard of 10%. You can take it down to 7, 5, 2, whatever you want. Now that means the lower you make it, the lower your returns as well. Now at that point in time, with the demo settings I received on the set file, it was at 10%, and I had drawdowns of about 38%. And what I experienced at that point in time is I didn't get phenomenal returns, and at the same time I hit the drawdown quite a few times, which ended up for me just I blew one account completely. Then I thought to myself, you know what, this is not working for me. Then I started trading the robot on a VPS service. At the time, it was a different VPS. I don't even list it on my website because it's not a good VPS service. And then I attached the robot and the chart, everything. I basically installed it on the VPS and I started trading. It went a little bit better, but there was a lot of calculation issues and things with the VPS service. It wasn't a good VPS service, and I ended up blowing a second account. So firstly, the first one was just on my laptop. The second one was using a bad VPS service. Now, I'm not saying GPS Forex Robot is a bad Forex Robot at all. Not at all. I mean, look at the profiles that I just shared with you. You can see how it's been trading for them. The gains is not good. Depending on what you're looking for, if you want to make an initial deposit of $100,000 or $500,000 or $1 million or whatever, with those returns of 0.4%, 0.5%, 1%, those are good returns, not bad, because you've got a huge trading volume or a huge account. So like I said, I'm not saying GPS is a bad robot at all. I think you just need to find yourself a good VPS service, of which I've just listed them with you. Get some good data, good server, a good CPU, good GPU, good RAM, VPS service, and then you should be fine. You can actually email, even if you head over to GPS Forex Robot, you can contact their support. Scroll, I think, all the way to the bottom. Yes, you can leave a comment, or you can actually message them, and you can ask them, listen, what do you guys recommend as a VPS service? What size VPS server would you recommend? And they can give you the data. You guys can just find a reliable one, and hopefully by doing that, then you should be able to get the results that they are getting. Like I said, that was my experience with the GPS Forex Robot 3. So whether you want to purchase the GPS Forex Robot 3 or not, it's entirely up to you. I'm just sharing with you things based on my experience and things that I would look for when it comes to purchasing a Forex robot. So that's it. Once again, thank you. I appreciate you. Click the link in the description below this video. If you want to create yourself passive income, then do stay tuned for my next video. May you watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, happy, loving, good, financially successful life going forward. I wish you only the best, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.